Hi, in this video we are going to see the state and the central universities vacancies guys, and here the teaching as well as the non-teaching vacancies also I am going to show you in this video. So here the opportunities are there for the PG candidates only and the PG plus UG Senate candidates also. So for both these two categories here the opportunities are there, and there is no examination or the application fee and no exam. The selection will be purely based upon the interview guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the government jobs as per the faculty positions. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here it is School of Information and Communication Technology from Gautam Buddha University, Greater Noida. So from this university, here the walk-in interviews are there, advertisement for visiting guest faculty. So walk-in interview is being organized on 30th April 2021 for suitable candidates to engage classes as a visiting guest faculty in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering and Electronics and Communication Engineering, the School of ICT. The candidates should bring their latest resume and original certificates along with one set of Xerox copies of all relevant documents and 3 passport size photographs you have to bring. And the date of walk-in interview is given here guys, that is 30th April 2021 morning 10 o'clock. And the name of the department is Department of Computer Science and Engineering and Electronics and Communication Engineering. So if you are having post-graduation in this department, then you may attend for the walk-in interview guys. Okay, so here the few eligibility criteria and terms are mentioned. The guest faculty shall be engaged till the end of the academic session 2020-21. And the guest faculty qualification as per the norms prescribed by the UGC or the other concerned regular bodies may be paid a consolidated honorarium as per below mentioned details. So 1000 rupees per hour will be provided guys, and for the walk-in interview the TADA will not be provided, and the screening of application shall be done by the committee only, and guest faculty shall perform all the duties assigned by the university. And the selection against shall not confer on any appointee any right of permanent appointment or regularization. Okay, so these are the details regarding this one guys. Fine. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may please enter into the official website of the Gautam Buddha University and check down the contact number for this one. Okay, so contact them. Okay, so before directly appearing the walk-in interview, once contact them, and then after contacting with them, then prepare for your attending the walk-in interview guys. Fine. So it is one advertisement, and coming to the next one is from Vivekananda College from University of Delhi, that means Central University guys. Here you may check down the notice of interview for guest faculty in the Department of Home Science. Okay, actually one of my subscriber kept one message to me that from Home Science the vacancies are not coming. So based upon that one I searched, so I got this notification, okay, regarding the Home Science. So if you click on that link, then it will be directed to here, Vivekananda College, University of Delhi. So it is dated on 23rd April 2021. Information of guest appointment in the Department of Home Science at Vivekananda College. So an interview in virtual mode. The virtual mode means online guys. You need not to go physically there. For guest assistant professor for teaching BSc Home Science with specialization in resource management and development communication and extension in Vivekananda College is scheduled to be on Friday 30th April 2021 at morning 10 o'clock. So the interested candidates are required to send their CVs to the following email of the college, that is vivac2008@vivekananda.du.ac.in by 9:30 on 30th April 2021. Okay, so please send your resume if you belongs to Home Science. Okay, now itself, and the walk-in interview is on 30th April 2021 at 10 a.m. and it is a virtual interview guys. Okay, so I think based upon your resume, okay, whatever you are going to send to this mail ID, okay, they may send a link for attending the online interview. So the link for the interview will be sent on the date of the interview. So that means on 30th April itself, you will get the link for attending the online interview. So only those candidates who are on the ad hoc panel of the Department of Home Science, University of Delhi are invited to attend the virtual interview along with the serial number and category of the panel. Okay, that means it is only for the University of Delhi candidates, guys, who are on the ad hoc panel right now. Okay, and the college reserves the right not to fill up any vacancy, and the number and the nature of post may change. Okay, so for more details, it is a website given here, so you may check down, guys. And coming to the third one, it is a non-teaching position, guys, from Vishwesvaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur. So appointment for 2 posts of programming language instructors are invited from highly skilled programming language C++ or Python, algorithms and data structure teachers who have graduated from recognized university with first class. Okay, the candidates with the PG in computer science and engineering and technology and allied branches with minimum 3 years of teaching experience of above program skills and excellent teaching skills with good spoken English will be preferred. Okay, so good class control in online as well as offline mode coordination communication, and the engagement is purely on a contract basis for a period of 6 months. It may be extendable up to another 6 months, okay, depending upon the performance, and the remuneration payable is of 45,000 rupees per month, and the eligible candidates preferably below 50 years shall apply in the prescribed format. Okay, so telephone number, mobile number or email ID, and they should attach the copies of certificates of substantial qualifications, experience, skills if any, and address of the application. So here the address is also mentioned. Okay, so whatever the documents you are going to send, that has to reach by 28th April 2021. Okay, so details of the job responsibilities along with the prescribed application form you will get in this official website, guys. So the candidates will be directly called for the interview. Okay, so I will provide this PDF link, okay, all the necessary links in the description box of this video, so please check down. And here the job responsibilities are also given here. Okay, so qualifications, PG in computer science or engineering or technology and allied branches, experience, minimum 3 years of teaching experience as well as the lab experience also in these languages is fine, and the few more skills are represented, fine. So if you are only post graduation with minimum 3 years of teaching experience in this subject, then you may apply this. You will get the 45,000 rupees per month. Okay, so these are the 3 different notifications, guys. So one is in the Gautam Buddha University. So with only PG you can apply. Okay, you may apply to this one. And next one is Vivekananda College. So it is only for the ad hoc candidates in the Department of Home Science, University of Delhi. And coming to this one, PG in computer science. Okay, then you may apply, guys. Okay, if you are having only PG in computer science, engineering or technology with 3 years of teaching experience in these programming languages, then you may apply to this one. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. It will be very much helpful to them, guys. And please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications. It will be very much helpful to me. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide